FairPlayTube feature videos insights. Once your videos have already been processed, you will be able to click the eye icon next to them, which will take you to the insights information for the selected video. You can click the video on one portion of the screen, and in the other portion of the screen you will be able to see the Insights widget, which is provided by Azure Video Analyzer for Media, formerly known Azure Video Indexer. Now in here you will be able to see several kinds of insights. You can click this showing all insights, and you will be able to select all storyboard, captioning, accessibility, monitoring, preview, custom view, right? And you can select the ones you want to see. You can go and click all, and then we can check in here what we have. We have the persons which have been identified in the video, which is this person, right? It says that it appears in 5.8% of the video, and it actually shows you here in which sections or segments of the video that person appears. You have this observed people preview, right? Where you can also see where it appears. You have some topics. It says it identified 8 topics, right? Which are these ones in here. And it tells you in which portions. The topics are pretty much everywhere, right? It also tells you that it found several audio effects, right? In this case, it says it found an audio effect of silence in these segments of the video. It also gives you a list of keywords that it actually found. So you see that it found, for example, FairPlayTube, status, video, process, progress, and it found 25 more. FairPlayTube features, system, file, progress, queue, configuring, videos status, generation, etc., etc. And you can go and select each of these, and you will be able to see where it appears, and then you can click in any of those segments and it will take you to that time in the video. You can also see the labels, right? Screenshot text, rolling credits, display. You can see more in here, right? And when you select one, you will also see where it appears. You can see the name entities. So it says that it found one name grammarly, right? And when there is information on Bing for that, you will be able to see things like the description, right? It also tells you the sentiment that it found. So it found a couple of segments with a positive sentiment with a 20.2% of confidence, and a segment with a negative sentiment with 6.21% of confidence. We have here some scenes that it found, the keyframes, right? And the other great thing that it has is that it allows you to see the timeline. In the timeline, you can actually see the transcription in multiple languages. So, for example, you see it on here, it has the text that it found based on the audio found in the video. Now it is not perfect and you will be able to edit it for your own videos. But you can also click here and you will be able to go to the transcription in other languages. So in this case, let's go to the one in Spanish. And you will see that it is the transcription in Spanish.